Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows Update service missing. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Windows Update service is missing from your service.msc, when you open these services, you are unable to find Windows Update service. You can see here Windows Update. You can see I have the Windows Update service. If you are unable to find the Windows Update service, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Just close this window. Just click on the start menu. Click on troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Here you can see Windows Update. Just you need to run the troubleshoot of Windows Update. Just click on run and it will take some time and automatically fixes the issues. And the second method is you just need to download Windows Update service from official Microsoft website. You can see this is your official Microsoft website. You just need to download the Windows Update service. This is a link to download the file. Just click on that and the download will be start. It is a nearly 10 to 11 KB file. Just click on run. Click on yes. Click on yes. Click OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows Update service missing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.